Hi everyone. Interdependence of plants and animals. Interdependence of plants and animals. Plants cannot exist without animals. In the same way, animals cannot live successfully without the plants. This is what is meant by interdependence of plants and animals. This plant this way must cooperate with this animal this way. That animal over there must cooperate with the plant over here. They depend on each other for their survival. This is what is meant by, interdependence of plants and animals. Let us see how this goes. Green plants synthesize their food. Green plants synthesize their food. What do I mean? They produce their own food by the process of photosynthesis. All animals depend on these green plants. All animals depend on this food which has been produced by these green plants. Can't you see the dependence there? Fine. That's why we say that green plants synthesize food. And this food is for all living things. Oxygen released by photosynthesis, that is, oxygen which is released in the process of photosynthesis by green plants, is what you take in. That is what you breathe. That is what I breathe. Yes, oxygen released by green plants during the process of photosynthesis is utilized by animals. Every animal for respiration. That is what you breathe. See them, they do photosynthesis with the help of sunlight, with the help of their chlorophyll, with the help of water from the soil, absorbed by the roots, and produce this food, starch, which every animal utilizes. Similarly, carbon dioxide, you know, which is produced by animals as a result of respiration, is utilized by plants in photosynthesis. What is it talking about here? It's trying to tell us that plants use carbon dioxide, which is carbon dioxide, you know what I mean? For the process of photosynthesis. They use it. It goes further to say that when animals respire, during the process of respiration in animals, they release carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which these green plants use for photosynthesis. Can't you see this interdependence? Let's go back a bit. For the process of photosynthesis which green plants engage in, they use carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which diffuses into the leaf for the process to take place. In the process of trying to manufacture this food, they release oxygen, which you breathe, which I breathe. And when we take in this oxygen, we use it for the process called respiration. While we are respiring, making use of this oxygen, we release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which these green plants will not pick for the process of photosynthesis. That is the interdependence I'm trying to emphasize on. Let's move on. Plants and animal remains, on decomposition form humus, which contains plant nutrients in the form of mineral salts. That's what they're saying. All the rubbish you pack from the poultry, all the feces of your birds in the poultry, you pack them, the animal dung, you pack them, They decompose, they are humus, they form humus, they form, manure, which plants make use of. It's another form of interdependence there. Yes. Let's move on. Some plants provide shade, they provide cover and shelter for animals. Yes. The moment it becomes hot now, what do? I go and sit down under this flamboyant tree here behind me, enjoying the fresh air. You see the goats, you see the birds, enjoying the cool, fresh air. Is there no interdependence there? Drop your answer in the comment section. Yes. Let's go on. A number of plants, um, really what do I say? It pollinate their flowers with the help of animals. That's where I'm heading to. I'm heading to the flowers of plants, engaging in pollination with the help of some animals. Animals like bats. Animals like bats, exactly. Some insects help plants, flowers to do pollination. Exactly. And even in production of fruits. Yes, production of fruits. When you finish eating your mango, the seed of mango is called stone. You throw it away, throw it somewhere else. It germinates there, begins to grow there. Exactly. Some insects help in pollination in some of these flowers. Some bats help in pollination in some of these flowers. We are trying to say there is a form of interdependence there. In all of this, what are we trying to say? We are trying to say that plants are not all alone. They cannot survive it all alone without animals. The animals cannot survive it all alone without the plants. All that we have highlighted are striking cases of interdependence between plants and animals. This is coming from Manuel Kateideas. Remember to like, comment, and share.